Good morning, sir.
सर है कहाँ?
Good night, sir.
गुड दोपहर सर।
आफ्टरनून बोलते हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Okay, so we start. So in the last class, we discussed the exact differential equation and how to reduce to exact differential equation if the differential equation is non-exact. Okay, and then find its solution. And also we solve the exercise problems. Okay, so let us start. My sound is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this differential equation in the first chapter of this math work, the only the first order differential equation. Okay, and in first order differential equation is very easy to solve. Okay, very easy to solve. Okay, so still you follow some other books. Any doubts you can ask. Okay, okay. So come to the next. The next is the linear differential equation. Okay, linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Okay. So now everybody know the linear differential equation in 12 or 12 standard or 10th standard. Okay. So what is the general form of a linear differential equation? Okay. But here we discuss only the first order linear differential equation. But what is the general form of a linear differential equation? Okay. So linear differential equation, when we write the general form, so general form we can write in this way. The general form we can write that is, suppose the nth derivative, this is your nth derivative plus some constant a1, this is n minus 1th derivative plus a2, this is n minus 2th derivative plus dot dot dot. The last one is, we can say this is a n minus 1 y dash plus an. Okay, an is equal to, this is f of x. Okay, so this is the general form of a linear differential equation, and here you see this linear differential equation is a linear. Okay, why it is linear? Because you can see the everywhere. Okay, so how many terms are there? How many terms are there? This is n plus 1 and n plus 2 term, including f of x. Okay, and you can see this y and its derivatives. Y is the unknown function. We have to find that y. Sorry, an into y. Yeah. Okay, n into y is equal to f of x. So y dash, y double dash, y n minus 1, y n minus 2 derivative, n minus 1 derivative, and nth derivative of y. All are occurs one time. All are occurs one time means its degree is 1. Why? The power is 1. Okay, y or its derivatives. Okay, its derivatives or y, all are unknown function. So here the unknown function occurs one time in this equation. That is why the degree is 1, and that is why it is linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Okay. So now here a1, a2, an minus 1, these are constants. A1, a2 up to an, these are constants. And this order is what? The order is n. Why? Because the highest derivative is nth derivative of y. The order is n. Okay, so here you can see the degree is equal to 1. The order, okay, this is n, nth order derivative, y, nth order derivative. So that is why this is nth order differential equation. And this f of x, this f of x, this f of x is a known function. Okay, this is a known function. Okay, this is a known function, and this f of x also called in this linear differential equation, this f of x is called non-homogeneous torque. Non-homogeneous torque. Okay, non-homogeneous torque means what? This f of x is equal to 0, then it is called homogeneous differential equation. And if f of x not equal to 0, then it is called non-homogeneous differential equation. तो f of x रहेगा तो ये नॉन होमोजेनियस होगा, एंड यहाँ पे f of x 0 हो जाएगा तो दिस इज homogeneous linear differential equation. Okay, so homogeneous is easy to solve, and for non-homogeneous, again some methods are there to solve the differential equation.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
Yes.
सर वहां पे सर बस an होगा ना सर, y टू द पावर 0 हो जाएगा ना?
y to the power 0 नहीं, यहाँ पे पावर नहीं है, यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव है. This is not power. Okay, y dash means first derivative and y means non-derivative. Okay.
n minus, yes.
Okay. So
Sure.
here you see,
For mid-sem, we only have the first chapter, no?
not necessary.
Okay.
When will your mid-sem? According to your
In
academic calendar?
December.
Okay, December, then chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay.
Okay.
It will be notified to you, okay? By the
Okay.
subject teacher, it will be notified to you. Okay, so let us see the general form is this. Okay, so here you see this f of x is very important. Why? Because this f of x is equal to 0, then it is called homogeneous linear differential equation. Okay, and if f of x not equal to 0, then it is called non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, but we'll discuss again these things. But here, okay, here we have to find only the first order differential equation. Okay, so here we have to find the first order. Okay, first order linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. First order linear differential equation. So you can say a first order linear differential equation. Okay, we can say a first order linear differential equation. Linear differential equation has the form क्या होगा, फॉर्म क्या होगा, जनरल फॉर्म क्या, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. ये मैं nth ऑर्डर लिया हूं, तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर क्या, देखो जो nth ऑर्डर होगा, nth ऑर्डर का जो कोएफिशिएंट होगा वो 1 होगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लूंगा तो क्या होगा, तो मैं इस टाइप का लिख सकता हूं, लाइक y डैश प्लस, ओके, I am writing something into x into y is equal to some function of x. And here you see another thing I missed to say. So here this a1, a2, an minus 1. Okay, this a1, a2, this an minus an. Okay, these are the coefficients. Okay, these are the coefficients. Okay, these are the coefficients. Okay, and this a1, a2 either constants. Okay, these are either constants. Okay, or function of x. Okay, variable. Variable means function of x. So then we can also call as this is linear differential equation with a constant coefficient. This is linear differential equation with a variable coefficient. Variable coefficient means this a1, a2, an, these are function of x. a1x, a2x, like this. Okay, these are function of x. Understood my point? These coefficients are maybe constant or maybe function of x. So we can say this is variable. Okay, because for a variable coefficient the method is different, for constant coefficient the method is different. Okay, so these are the things. So now here we take only the first order linear differential equation. So we take both non-homogeneous and also variable coefficient. If px is a constant, then it is called constant coefficient, and if qx is equal to 0, we can say this is homogeneous differential equation. Got it? So now in generally we take the first order linear differential equation. It has the form like y dash is equal to, this is px into y is equal to qx is equal to qx. Okay, so this is the linear differential equation. Any differential equation, if it is given in the question, we can reduce to linear differential equation if possible. Then we can find the solution. And everybody know how to solve this linear differential equation. So how to solve? So everybody know, you have
Sir,
to
once you
find
can scroll the screen up for once.
what.
Yes, sir. Wait. Okay, sir. Written, sir. Take
Okay.
over.
So now you know in the 12th standard everybody know the how to solve the linear differential equation. Okay, so when you solve linear differential equation, this y dash plus px into y is equal to qx. So you find integrating factor, and that is integrating factor is this is e to the power integration of px dx. Yes or no? Got it? And the solution में क्या लिखते हो? You find the solution, that is this y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into integrating factor dx into dx plus c. This is the solution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Have you studied or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the procedure. This is the procedure, you know. You find the integrating factor, that is e to the power integration p dx dx. Okay, px dx. Then the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into integrating factor plus c. So this method, this procedure, you know. Okay. To solve a linear differential equation of the form y dash plus pxy is equal to qx. But I mean to say, how we get this is your integrating factor, how you get this is your integrating factor, and how to find the solution. Okay, because everybody know this is the procedure. Okay, here also same in the syllabus. This procedure also same. Okay, you can easily find the finding integrating factor and solution. But question is how? How you get this integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of a px dx, and you are finding integrating factor, that means what? This differential equation is not exact. The integrating factor कब find कर जब exact नहीं होगा तब integrating factor find होगा. Okay, that means what? The given differential equation is not exact. Okay, then you have to find the integrating factor, and if you are finding integrating factor, then by which method? Because four methods are there. By which method you are finding integrating factor? Okay, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us see. So let us say, okay, we answer this question. Suppose y dash plus pxy is equal to qx. So I am writing the given differential equation. The given differential equation is what? This is dy by dx, or y dash is plus px into y is equal to q. This is your differential equation. So now we have to show this is not exact. Okay. So let us check this is exact or not. So before showing testing exactness or not, so better you write in mdx plus ndy for. So I can write this is dy by dx is equal to, this is qx minus px into y. Then that implies I can write this qx uh, this dy is equal to, this is qx minus px y whole into dx. Then that implies we can say this pxy minus qx, okay, whole into dx plus dy is equal to 0. Now it is correct. Now it is correct.
Yes,
You
sir.
can,
Yes, sir.
So I can write this given differential equation, that is a linear differential equation, into exact form, that is mdx plus mdy form. Okay, so now here you see, here m is equal to here this m is equal to, this is px into y minus qx, and your n is equal to, this is 1. Okay, so now if you check for exactness, so you find del m by del y. So we are in the differentiate with respect to y, so your x is constant, so this is px taking outside, y का derivative 1 होगा and qx का 0 होगा, because x is constant. And here del n by del x, this will be 0 because 1 is a constant and derivative of constant is equal to 0. And you can see these two are not equal. Okay, this is del m by del y not equal to del n by del x. So we can say this is not exact. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So we are finding integrating factor. तो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर कैसे फाइंड करोगे? तो यू हैव टू सब्सट्रैक्ट del m by del y minus del n by del x, and which is equal to, this is px, because px minus 0, that is only px. So what we have to divide? We divide n or n. Okay, तो if you divide m divide करने से px into y minus qx कुछ कैंसिल नहीं होगा, तो फंक्शन ऑफ y नहीं आएगा. But if you divide n, then we get function of x, that is we divide n and n is equal to 1 here, so this is only the function of x. Okay, so this method work. So now let us see what is your integrating factor. Your integrating factor is equal to, according to the formula, this is exponential by e to the power integration of this px dx. Got my points?
Yes,
So you,
yes, sir.
so what is integrating factor? So now let us find what is the solution. Okay, how to get the solution. Okay, integrating factor आ गया, e to the power integration px dx. So let us find what is the solution. So okay, let us multiply this integrating factor both sides. Okay, so multiplying this e to the power px dx both sides of this equation. Okay, both sides of this equation. So you see what is px into y minus qx dx. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा e to the power integration px dx whole into, this is pxy minus qx dx. Okay, plus e to the power integration px dx into dy is equal to 0. ये आएगा, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so here you see what is your m star. So here this is m star is equal to, this is ये तो exact हो जाएगा. You can check or not, whatever. Yeah. Okay, you may not check, no problem, but you can find easily you can find the solution. Okay, you can check this del m star is equal to this much, n star is equal to this much. So del m star by del y is equal to del n star by del x. ये ऑटोमेटिकली होगा. ठीक है, the theory says that. So this is exact. Okay, you can check it. So let us find a solution. Okay, तो solution जो find करेंगे, तो solution क्या होगा? This is integration of m star dx where y is constant plus integration of n star dy which is free from x is equal to constant c. So that implies this is integration m star. What is your m star? E to the power integration px dx, e to the power integration px dx, this is px into y minus qx, okay, dx plus 0 is equal to c, because your n star does not contain any y term, okay. Where this is, because your n star contains e to the power integration of a px dx, so this is x star, so there is no y term, that is why it will be 0, okay. So now we have to find the integration, okay, we have to find the integration. तो कैसे इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करोगे? ओके, उसको थोड़ा स्प्लिट कर दो, क्या होगा? इंटीग्रेशन e टू द पावर इंटीग्रेशन px dx into px y dx minus integration of e to the power px dx into qx dx is equal to c. So we can say this is integration of e to the power integration of px dx into px into y dx is equal to, this is integration of, this is your integrating factor, yes or no, into qx dx plus c. ओके, तो राइट हैंड साइड आ गया इंटीग्रेशन इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर qx dx प्लस से, बट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या होना चाहिए? दिस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट विल बी व्हाट, दिस y इनटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, ये होना चाहिए, यस और नो, देन वी प्रूव द सॉल्यूशंस इज करेक्ट. तो ये होगा y इनटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर.
यस सर होगा.
ओके, तो कैसे प्रूव करोगे?
सर पीएक्स प्लस कटेगा ना सर? ये तो कटेगा ना सर, तो आ जाएगा.
यस, देखो तो यहाँ पे that implies we are integrating with respect to x, so y is constant, taking y outside, so this is integration of e to the power integration of px dx into px dx, okay, this into this integration of integrating factor into qx dx plus c. Okay, so we are saying that this is your integrating factor, this is your integrating factor, this bracketed, okay. So let us see this integrating factor or not. So now here you do one thing, suppose this integration of px, okay, suppose this integration of px dx is equal to, okay, integration of px dx is equal to, suppose your p dash, okay, p star, okay. So we can say if integration of p is equal to p star, so derivative of a p star, okay, derivative of p star is equal to p, is it correct?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, derivative of a p star is equal to p. So now you substitute here, so I can write this y into, okay, so if your integration p, so e to the power, this is p star, okay, into p x dx, this is the integration we have to evaluate, okay. The right hand side you write, so now so here you see, so let you again you substitute your p star, okay, your p star is equal to suppose z, okay. So now you substitute your p star is equal to z, okay. If p star is equal to z, then what is the derivative? This p star dash, okay, dx is equal to dz, and p star dash क्या है? This is p, dx is equal to dz. Okay, so now if you substitute, so what you get? So this is y into integration e to the power p star, okay, into, sorry, p star is z. Your p star is z, so e to the power z into dz, okay, is equal to the right hand side. So now what is the integration of e to the power z? That is e to the power z is equal to this integration, integrating factor qx dx plus c. So now again you substitute. So y into e to the power z. What is e to the power z? So your e to the power z is equal to e to the power p star. And what is e to the power p star? Your e to the power p star is equal to integration of px dx. So this is nothing but integration of px dx is equal to this. Okay, so this is nothing but this is y into integrating factor is equal to, this is qx into integrating factor dx plus. So this is your solution. Understood?
Sir.
Okay, so now your previous formula, what you have okay, you already know these things, that is solution of a linear differential equation. Okay, this is your integrating factor, okay, and this is your solution. These two are correct and we derive these things, okay, from the exact differential equation by exact formula. Got it? Okay, so let us see, you solve some problems, okay, for linear differential equation. And linear differential equation is very easy to solve because you have already solved this thing.
Sir, can you show the last line?
This one.
Yes, yes. 1 minute.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let us see, so you can solve the problems. Okay, suppose the question is y dash minus y is equal to 5.2. One question is given, very simple question. Y dash minus y is equal to 5.2. Okay, so this is a linear differential equation, yes or no? Why? Because this differential equation, so this is a linear differential equation, linear differential equation. And here you can find what is your p. Your px is equal to minus 1 and qx is equal to, this is 5.2. Okay, px is equal to minus 1 and qx is equal to 5.2. Okay, because what is the formula? This is y dash is e plus px into y is equal to qx. So this is a linear differential equation. Okay, so here px is equal to minus 1, qx is equal to 5.2. So you find integrating factor. Your integrating factor क्या होगा? E to the power integration of p dx, and this is nothing but e to the power integration of minus 1 dx, and which is equal to e to the power minus x. Okay, the integrating factor is e to the power minus x. So what is solution? Your solution is this is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into integrating factor. Integrating factor is e to the power minus x dx plus c. And you can easily find this is 5.2 is a constant, taking outside e to the power minus x का integration e to the power minus x by minus 1 plus c. Okay, so if you simplify this, so what you get? This is y into e to the power minus x is equal to minus 5.2 e to the power minus x plus c. Okay, now again if you find y, तो y क्या होगा? e to the power minus x राइट हैंड साइड में क्या होगा? डिवाइड हो जाएगा, तो मीन्स e to the power x मल्टीप्लाई होगा. दैट मीन्स e to the power x into this is minus 5.2 e to the power minus x plus c. ओके, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो क्या रहेगा? दिस इज c into e to the power x minus 5.2. this is y. So this is your solution. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your solution. So
Just
similarly,
once call the screen up.
now it is okay now, or
Thank you, sir. Done, sir.
okay. So then you find another problem. Suppose y dash plus y sin x. Another question you write. Y dash plus y sin x is equal to e to the power cos x. E to the power cos x. And y0 is equal to minus 2.5. The initial condition is given. Y0 is equal to minus 2.5. Okay, so let us find what is the solution. So here you see this y dash plus y sin x is equal to e to the power cos x. This is a linear differential equation. So we can find here px is equal to sin x. And what is your qx? This qx is equal to e to the power cos x. So you find what is the integrating factor. The integrating factor is e to the power integration p dx. So which is nothing but integration sin x dx. And what is integration of a sin x dx? E to the power ln sec x, and which is nothing but sec x. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is sec x. So now if integrating factor is sec x, then what is your solution? Your solution is this is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into integrating factor dx plus c.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, the integration of sin x will be minus cos x, no? How does check x?
Sorry. I forgot. Okay, sorry. E to the power minus cos x. Now it is correct. Okay. So that implies this y into e to the power minus cos x is equal to whole integration. Your qx is e to the power cos x into integration factor is e to the power minus cos x dx plus c. So that implies this y into e to the power minus cos x is equal to this integration of a dx, because e to the power cos x into e to the power minus cos x is what? 1 plus c. So this is nothing but this is x plus c. Okay. Again, if you find y, so this is nothing but e to the power x plus c into e to the power cos x. So this is your solution. This is your general solution. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So initial condition given are here. Initial condition is y0 is equal to minus 2.5. Okay. So now put in y0 is equal to minus 2.5. So that means this minus 2.5 is equal to 0 plus c into e to the power cos 0 is equal to 1. So that implies this c is equal to cos 0 is equal to 1. तो क्या हुआ e to the power 1. तो e होगा, तो c क्या होगा? दिस इज minus 2.5 divided by e. तो इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? तो यू कैन कैलकुलेट. ओके, minus 2.5 divided by e और e इनवर्स जो होगा. ओके, उससे रखो, जो वैल्यू आएगा वो लिखो, नहीं तो स्टेप का रखो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ओके, तो नाउ because in exam, okay, calculator is allowed. Okay, you can easily calculate it. Okay, scientific calculator is allowed. Okay, so everybody should buy one scientific calculator. Okay, because some numerical methods are there in your syllabus. Okay, for that you have to use this. Okay. So let us see if c is equal to this much, then what is the particular solution? Then particular solution, this y is equal to, this is x minus 2.5 divided by e whole into e to the power cos x. So this is your solution. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let us see another question. Y dash cos x. Okay. You write another question. Y dash cos x plus 3y minus 1 plus 3y minus 1 into sec x is equal to 0. Y dash into cos x plus 3y minus 1 into sec x is equal to 0, and y of pi by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, initial condition given, this y of pi by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. The initial condition is also given. So now how to solve it? So first we have to write in the linear form, because this is not in linear form. So we have to write first linear form. So this differential equation can be written as, this is y dash into cos x plus 3 sec x into y minus sec x is equal to 0. So again, if you simplify, this is y dash into cos x plus 3 sec x into y is equal to sec x. Minus x is going to right hand side. So that implies, तो मुझे क्या चाहिए? y dash का कोएफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए, तो I divide cos x both side. तो y dash is equal to y dash plus 3 sec x by cos x into y is equal to, this is sec x by cos x.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, सर थोड़ा ऊपर स्क्रॉल कर दीजिए ना.
Which one? Previous question or this question?
The above one, उसका particular solution वाला part.
Okay. Now this one.
हाँ sir.
Okay.
हो गया sir. Thank you sir.
Hmm. So now, so this is the form. That is this is the linear form. Y dash is equal to 3 sec x by cos x into y. Okay, is equal to sec x by cos x. So now we have to find the integrating factor. Okay, now it is linear form. So what is the px? Your px is equal to, this is 3 sec x divided by cos x. Okay, and this is nothing but I can say this is 3 sec square x, and your qx is, this is sec x by cos x. This is nothing but sec square x. So now you find the integrating factor. तो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या होगा? जैसे e to the power integration of a p dx, and which is equal to integration, this is 3 sec square x dx. तो क्या होगा? e to the power 3 आउटसाइड sec square x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा?
tan x.
tan x. Okay, so now what is the solution? So your solution is, this is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of this qx into integrating factor dx plus c. So you can easily find. So let us see, this is y into e to the power 3 tan x is equal to this integration. Your qx is the sec square x into e to the power tan x, sorry 3 tan x dx plus c. So which is equal to तो क्या होगा? तो if you take tan x is equal to z, okay, if you put tan x is equal to z, suppose you put tan x is equal to z, then sec square x dx is equal to dz. Okay, so this integration will be what? This is integration of e to the power 3z dz. Okay, plus c. So which is equal to, this is how much? E to the power 3z divided by 3 plus c, and which is equal to, this is e to the power 3 tan x divided by 3 plus c. Okay, so here this is y into e to the power 3 tan x is equal to this much. Got it? So you can easily find the solution. तो solution क्या होगा? This is y minus 1 by 3, okay, into e to the power 3 tan x is equal to c. So this is your solution. You write in simplified form. Okay, y minus 3 whole into e to the power 3 tan x plus c. Otherwise you can write, okay, y in terms of x, no problem. Okay, so this is the solution. And is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you please pull up the screen?
This one?
This one only.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So let us see. So an initial condition is given. That initial condition क्या है? The put the initial condition y of a pi by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. So you put x is equal to pi by 4, y is equal to 4 by 3. So this is 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is e to the power 3 tan pi by 4 is equal to c. So that implies your C is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is 1. Yes or no? This is 1 into e to the power 3. 3 into 1, we got tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So your C is equal to EQ. So you put your particular solution, this y minus 1 by 3 into e to the power 3 tan x is equal to EQ. Okay, this is EQ. Okay, this is a part. Or if you again simplify it, तो क्या होगा? So this is 1 by 3 plus e to the power 3 into 1 minus tan x. If you simplify again, this is 3 into 1 minus tan x. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is the linear differential equation, and sometimes in the question, sometimes what happen? Some questions given which is not in linear form. That means another form of linear form you can write. Another form. Okay, another form of a linear differential equation, that is dx by dy. Okay, dx by dy another form में देखो पहले जो था वो dy by dx फॉर्म में था, y in terms of x में था, but here just reverse. Okay, यहाँ पे dx by dy होगा plus some function of y, okay, some function of y into x is equal to some function of okay, some function of y. Okay, dx by dy plus gy into x is equal to ry. That is here what your x is dependent variable, y is independent variable. Okay, some linear differential equation is of the form like this. Okay, so here you see what is your integrating factor? Same. This is e to the power integration of g. Okay, e to the power integration of gy dy. This is your integrating factor. And your what is your solution? Your solution is x into integrating factor is equal to, this is r of y into integrating factor dy plus c. Okay, this is the solution. Because just reverse. In place of x, you write y. In y, place of y, you write x. Nothing else. Okay. Now this is also another one, because some differential equation. Okay, when you solve in the linear differential equation, but it is not in the form of dy by dx. Okay, so you have to check this is, if it is not dy by dx, then it is maybe in the form of dx by dy. Okay, and if it is linear, you can find the solution. Got it? For example, you can see, suppose one question is y dash is equal to tan y divided by x minus 1. Tan y divided by x minus 1. So that means what? This is dy by dx is equal to tan y by x minus 1. X minus 1. So we cannot linearize it. A linear differential equation फॉर्म में नहीं होगा in terms of y with respect to y, तो उसको रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. This is dx by dy is equal to x minus 1 by tan y. So now it is a linear form. कैसे होगा? This is dx by dy is equal to, this is 1 by tan y into x is minus 1 by tan y. And you can see this is dx by dy minus 1 by tan y into x is equal to minus 1 by tan y. Okay, minus 1 by tan y. So now it is form of what? Linear differential equation with respect to y. So this is linear differential equation with respect to x, not with respect to y. X with respect to x में linear है. Okay, तो this is dx by dy. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा जो gy है क्या है? Your gy is equal to minus 1 by tan y. And ry क्या होगा? Your ry is equal to, this is also minus 1 by tan y. तो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या होगा? ओके, तो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या होगा? दिस इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू e to the power इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ minus 1 by tan y dy, and which is equal to how much? minus 1 by tan y का tan y 1 by tan y means this is cot y minus cot y. yes or no? तो cot y का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? cot y का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा?
log sin x plus c होगा.
e to the power
log sin y plus c.
ln sin y. ओके, माइनस एक आएगा ना, बिकॉज cot is cos by sin. ओके, तो ये एक माइनस आएगा. ओके, तो we can write this is cosec y. Okay, because sin y inverse, that is cosec y. It is correct. And then what is the solution? The solution is x into cosec y is equal to integration of, this is minus cot y into cosec y dy plus c. So that, which is equal to minus cosec y cos y का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? cot y into cosec y.
Cosec x.
cosec y.
Cosec y.
cosec y और माइनस तो रहेगा तो माइनस.
Minus cos.
सर नहीं, खाली cosec y रहेगा ना.
श्योर.
ये सर क्योंकि cosec
माइनस में पाया जाता है ना वैल्यू में
y
सर.
का तो होता है minus cosec x.
Okay.
cosec
Okay, I don't remember the formula. You remember? So you write minus or plus. Okay. So now this is the solution. You can easily write what is your x. Your x is equal to, if you divide cosec by both sides, so this is what? This is minus 1 plus c by cosec y. So c by c into sin y. Okay. cosec y divide हो जाएगा तो sin y हो जाएगा. Yes or no? Minus
sir.
1 c into sin y. So you can write this is x plus 1 is equal to c into sin y. Okay, so you can find y also. So you can write y is equal to, this is sin inverse x plus 1 divided by c. Okay, sin inverse x plus 1 divided by c. So this is your solution, because initially our problem is in y. Y dash is equal to tan y by x minus 1. Okay, but it is not in the linear form of with respect to y. Okay, so we change to linear form with respect to x, then solve, then find the solution also with respect to y. So y is a function of x. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The time is over.
Yeah. Okay, you write your roll number in the chat box and you leave and you practice this 1.5. Okay, exercise 1.5.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.